Composite materials are revolutionizing industries worldwide. They are formed by combining two or more materials. This combination creates unique properties, often superior to the individual components. Composites are lightweight yet strong. They resist corrosion and offer design flexibility. These qualities make them ideal for various applications. Composites are already widely used in aerospace, automotive, and construction. They are also important in electronics and energy. Their significance keeps growing due to increasing demand for high-performance materials. Composites are constantly evolving. Researchers are developing new types of composites, including nanocomposites and biocomposites. These advancements further expand the potential of composites. As a result, they are poised to play an even greater role in shaping our future. The global composites market is experiencing remarkable growth. This growth is driven by several factors. One factor is the increasing demand from various end-use industries such as aerospace, automotive, and construction. Another factor is the rising adoption of composites in renewable energy. For instance, wind turbine blades utilize these materials. The market for geosynthetic cementitious composite mats, or GCCMs, is a prime example. It was valued at $362.14 million in 2024. Projections show it reaching $959.99 million by 2034, representing a CAGR of 10.24%. GCCMs find applications in slope stabilization and ground reinforcement. They're also used in environmental applications and transportation infrastructure. Another example is the magnesium silicon carbide, or MgCC composites market. This market was valued at $9 million in 2023. It is projected to reach $13.8 million by 2030, signifying a CAGR of 6.3%. MgCC composites are used in power modules for electric vehicles and railways. Several trends are shaping the composites market. One trend is lightweighting, which involves reducing the weight of structures without compromising strength. Composites excel in this area. Another trend is the use of high-performance resins and adhesives, enhancing the durability and resistance of composites. Carbon fiber-based materials are also gaining traction due to their exceptional strength-to-weight ratios. Furthermore, there is a growing emphasis on sustainability, leading to the development of biocomposites. Biocomposites utilize natural fibers, reducing the environmental impact of composite materials. Advanced composites encompass a wide range of materials, each possessing unique properties and applications. Nanocomposites, for instance, incorporate nanoparticles that enhance the mechanical, thermal, and electrical properties of the composite. Nanocomposites are used in electronics, aerospace, and biomedical applications. Green composites, also known as biocomposites, are gaining popularity. They are made from natural fibers like hemp, flax, and bamboo. These fibers are renewable and biodegradable. Green composites reduce our reliance on synthetic materials and are used in automotive interiors, packaging, and construction materials. Biocompatible composites are designed for use in the human body. They are used in medical implants, drug delivery systems, and tissue engineering. These composites are carefully engineered to be compatible with living tissues. The automotive industry is a major consumer of composites. Composites reduce vehicle weight, improving fuel efficiency. Carbon fiber composites are used in high-performance cars, while glass fiber composites are common in mass-produced vehicles. Composites are also transforming the construction industry. They are used in bridges, buildings, and infrastructure projects, offering corrosion resistance and requiring less maintenance than traditional materials like steel and concrete. In renewable energy, composites are essential for wind turbine blades. The lightweight and durable nature of composites makes larger blades feasible, increasing energy capture. Composites are also used in solar panels and energy storage systems. The future of composites is bright. Continuous innovation is expanding their applications. Researchers are exploring new materials and manufacturing processes. Nanotechnology is playing a significant role in this progress, enabling the creation of composites with enhanced properties. Sustainability is a key focus in composite development. Bio-based resins and recycled fibers are being incorporated into composites, reducing the environmental impact. Researchers are also working on improving the recyclability of composites. The demand for composites is expected to remain strong. The growth of end-use industries, such as aerospace, automotive, and construction, will drive this demand. Government regulations promoting lightweight and fuel-efficient vehicles will further boost the composites market. Composites are versatile and high-performance materials. They will continue to shape innovation across industries. As research and development efforts continue, we can expect even more remarkable applications of composites in the years to come.